Ten reasons why you should eat an entire avocado every day. The avocado is a rather unique type of fruit. Avocado is, without any doubts, one of the most favorite fruits in the world. Most fruit consists primarily of carbohydrate, while avocado is high in healthy fats. But, it tastes so good you will probably think that is not so good for you and your health. Numerous studies show that it has powerful beneficial effects on health. You should also know that people who eat avocados are healthier and with higher nutrient intake. They even have lower body mass index than those who don't eat avocados. Recent studies have proved that. However, this delicious fruit can offer a lot of healthy benefits, but we are going to mention just 10 of them. 1. Source of healthy fats. Even though avocados contain high amount of fats, that actually is a good thing. Avocados contain the good fats, including the monosaturated fat. The monosaturated fat can help you lower the risk of heart attack or stroke, along with the levels of bad cholesterol in your blood. 2. Weight loss. Recent studies have shown that avocados can actually help you with losing weight. According to the study that was published in the Nutrition Journal, eating half an avocado for lunch can help overweight people to feel full for a longer period of time after the lunch. People who participated in this study reported 40% less desire to eat over a 3-hour period after the meal, and a 28% less desire over a 5-hour period after the meal. And another good thing is that these participants had less desire to snack and were fuller after the meal. 3. Control blood pressure. This delicious fruit is also a great natural source of potassium. It contains more than 28% of the recommended daily potassium intake in just one avocado. But, you should be careful. Because avocados are fruits high in fat, you should balance your food intake in other areas to balance your diet. The American Heart Association says that foods high in potassium are very important for a healthy heart, because of the potassium's ability to reduce the effects of sodium in the body and regulates the blood pressure. 4. Lower cholesterol levels. A recent study has shown that consumption of avocado can help you lower your cholesterol levels. Numbers in the recent statistics show that 1 in 3 American adults has high cholesterol issues, with higher risk of getting a heart attack. But, there are a lot of different natural ways to lower the bad cholesterol levels. Avocados can lower triglycerides in your blood, reduce the total cholesterol and lower LDL while increasing the HDL cholesterol. 5. High in nutrients. Avocados are also a great source of healthy nutrients and contain more than 20 vitamins and minerals in each serving. One fruit of avocado contains recommended daily values: 33% vitamin C, 26% vitamin B6, 21% vitamin E, 28% pantothenic acid, 19% copper, 28% potassium, 53% vitamin K, 41% folate. 6. Improves nutrient absorption. Did you know that when it comes to vitamins and minerals, it doesn't really matter how much or how we eat them? The way vitamins, minerals and nutrients are being absorbed is extremely important for us and our health. Some vitamins or nutrients are fat soluble. That means that they need to be combined with fat in order to get absorbed by our bodies. For example, vitamin A, vitamin D, vitamin E and vitamin K are fat soluble nutrients, alongside with some other antioxidants. Add half of avocado in a salad of spinach, lettuce and carrots and your body will absorb the antioxidants. Alpha-carotene, 8.3 times better. Beta-carotene, 13.6 times better. Lutein, 4.3 times better. 7. Prevent diabetes. The recent statistics that came from the CDC Center for Disease Control and Prevention have estimated that diabetes will affect almost 40% of the American population at some point in their lives. That's why it's very important to keep your blood sugar levels low in order to reduce the risk of getting diabetes. In a recent study, people who participated in it consumed half of avocado with lunch, and had their blood sugar and insulin levels measured at specific time. Even though they ate half of avocado and it increased their calorie and carbohydrate intake, the participants who ate avocado didn't get their blood sugar levels increased, compared with those who didn't eat an avocado for lunch. 8. Pain relief. Because of its anti-inflammatory benefits, the avocado extract is suitable for treating and reducing symptoms of arthritis of the bones, also known as osteoarthritis, and other types of inflammatory-related aches and pains. 9. Fight inflammation. Several studies have shown the beneficial healthy properties of the oleic acid, the monosaturated fat found in avocados, olive oil and canola oil. The oleic acid will help you fight and reduce all kinds of inflammations in the body. This is very important for you, because it's believed that chronic inflammation in the body can lead to several diseases, such as asthma, allergies, arthritis, Alzheimer's, heart disease and cancer. 10. Eye health. According to the latest research, avocados are among the top 20 fruits in the world consumed on regular basis, which are rich in lutein and a good source of zeaxanthin. Lutein and zeaxanthin are extremely beneficial in fighting macular degeneration. This is one of the leading causes of blindness in the United States. Foods high in phytonutrients, such as avocado, can provide high amount of lutein and zeaxanthin into your organism.